everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama, and I have another customer creation, but we're going to keep it pretty simple in this home. I wanted you guys, well, to be able to see what a home looks like without a bunch of frillies. So we've got flit gray on the outside, and these are the regular gridded windows. We did raise the starter strip up because this is going to a park. This is actually a park owner that we created this for. And so when you're going to do skirting, you want to make sure that you have us do this option of raising the starter strip up. All right, we've got some new colors on the inside. Let's go inside and check it out. All right, here we go. Stepping into the home. We're going to step right into the living area, and this is going to be a split level floor plan. So we've got primary bedroom on that side and the secondary bedrooms on this side. Nice and wide open. We've got Casper cashmere on the wall. Thunder on the floor. We've always had thunder. That stayed around. And here's your wall. There are lots of options that are available for this home. But because this was going into a park and the park owner was just going to rent it out, we kept it pretty basic. What's nice about this floor plan is you do have a significant dining area. And a lot of times people will put a hutch on that wall. Great big huge window here in the dining area. Here's the back door. So one of the floor plans that would, you come in the back door and you're looking right at your laundry. Here's the newest marble countertop. We call this a Luma marble. And it's taking the place of the drama marble. Pretty. Put this in my house. We've got Timberwolf cabinets on the bottom. Standard appliances, electric stove with a hood, and the standard 18.2 cubic foot refrigerator. Shelf over the refrigerator. You can change that to a cabinet if you like. Pantry. Heading back to the primary bedroom. 46 by 61 window. Inline sectional heating. You'll see the registers are right down the middle of the home. Primary closet. This is a nice size closet. You'll see the panel back there. That's where the water heater is going to be. Heading over into the primary bath. We've got an extended vanity with a bank of drawers. An extra large mirror. Hello. Now, whenever you see a 3-bulb light strip up above the mirror, we're going to do that above every sink. So if you have 2 sinks, you're going to have 2 3-bulb light strips. If you have a sink over here, then the 3-bulb light strip is going to be always, always, always directly above that sink. So I've had people ask me, why isn't this centered? That's exactly why. You can order extra ones if you would like. And that's what I do when I ask my customers about that when they're in here, because I know how it's going to look and how it's going to feel. Some people are weird about that. Are you one of those people where you have to have everything symmetrical, and if you don't, it drives you crazy? Pretty common. A lot of people feel that way. This is a cute little floor plan. I've done a video on this before. It was really souped up. So it's nice to see the alternative of what a home looks like when it's standard. Coming down this hallway, we've got the furnace, bedroom number 2. a bathroom at the end. Bath number 2 is pretty typical. Single vanity, mirror, tub shower, 3 bulb light strip. Bedroom number 3. There you have it. Nice and simple, easy peasy. And actually, I was going to go through the list of options here that I have, and very short. We've got 2x6 walls. Those are behind the walls. You can't see those. Those are exterior walls, which is going to give you an R19 insulation. We moved the starter strip up. We saw that in the beginning. We've got a gas furnace, a furnace door, and 200 amp service. So the most important options were added, and this is going to be a beautiful home for somebody to rent. I'm Christina. I'm also the Mobile Home Mama on YouTube, and I'm a housing consultant here at Champion Homes. Give me a call. I'll give you a free personal tour. Thanks for watching.